हे गाइस, वेलकम टू योर चैनल एजुकेशनल प्लाजा चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट क्वेश्चन आंसर ज्योग्राफी क्लास 7 चैप्टर 7. In this video especially I will explain answers to long questions given in the exercise. So here is the first question. What are the various factors responsible for the permanent settlement? There are various factors for permanent settlement. First is availability of water, second is relief features, and third is special sites. So I have explained here about importance of water, about features of different types of land, and some of the places which are famous for their natural beauty. So there are 3 points of this question and you have to write answers as per the marks. Suppose it is 5 marks question, then all the 3 points you have to explain. If it is of less number, then you have to explain only one line or 2 lines. That way you will write answer. So here are more points, but you can write in the exam as per the marks allotted to the question. So first factor was availability of water, second relief features related to land, and third special sites. Second question, what are the various advantages of roadways over the other means of transport? Roadways is suitable for shorter distances. For shorter distances, roadways is better. Roadways provide door-to-door service. This facility is not given by other means of transport. It is also very suitable and beneficial for perishable items like fruits and vegetables. It is sent to distant market with speedy movement. And another is construction and maintenance of roads is cheaper as compared to other means of transport. There are merits of different means of transport, but here you have to mention those points which is with roadways but not with other means of transport. Okay, so that point you focus on those points only. Now question number 3. Explain how transportation and communication help in the economic development of a country. Transportation is very helpful for the industrialization of a place. It helps in the transportation of raw materials to the factories and finished product to the market. They help in earning foreign exchange. विदेशी मुद्रा कमाने में भी देश को मदद करता है through export and import. They save time and money of the people, businessmen and industrialists, and developed means of transport generate various types of jobs, employment. Here is question number 4. What was the impact of discovery of fire, wheel and iron on human civilization? After the discovery of fire, iron and wheel, humans' life got completely changed. It was a big step towards civilization. So there are 4-5 points as per the marks allotted to the question you can write. After the discovery of fire, iron, now their tools, weapons were made of iron. It was more durable and sophisticated. Now they started growing crops, living permanently near their field. So permanent settlement or living permanently at one place, rearing animals, that is domestication. And after the discovery of fire, they also started eating cooked food. Earlier they were eating raw food, but after the discovery of fire, they began to eat cooked food, and fire also helped them to save them from wild animals, because after when the wild animals was seeing the fire, they used to get frightened and they were not coming to their settlement. And in the invention of wheels, the invention of wheel helped them in preparing carts and machine. And after preparing of carts, and when they prepared carts, it became very easy for them to carry goods from one place to another place. So they prepared different types of carts, and later on it helped in the making of different types of machine. So we see that discovery of fire, iron and fuel brought complete revolution in the life of human. Here is the last question, question number 5. How has the computer technology revolutionized the process of communication? Dear children, it is very easy question. You can write so many points related to this. After the invention of computer, you see lot of changes have taken place in our life, in human life. Computer invention has revolutionized, means brought many changes in the process of communication. Now, through computer, we are able to send email, internet, CDs, pen drive, laptop, palm top, etc. are the new inventions, and they all are related to invention of computer. We can get any information about the entire world while sitting at home using computers. आज कंप्यूटर के सहारे हम कई प्रकार की सेवा घर बैठे प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. घर आज इस कोविड के समय में यू हैव सीन पीपल आर डूइंग दियर जॉब्स वर्क फ्रॉम होम. घर से ही लोग कंप्यूटर के माध्यम से, लैपटॉप के माध्यम से अपना ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं. दे आर गिविंग दियर सर्विसेज to their companies. So we find here that there is now no field left where computer is not used. So computer has brought lot of changes in the life of the people. This way students, I have explained all the 5 answers to long questions given in the exercise. If you find the video useful, please press the like button. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it, like it. Also press the bell icon so that you can get notification regularly. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all.